Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So here we keep watching for bread and butter trade on the weekly chart, and currently performance of the market is becoming tricky and a few nuances are appearing, which significantly could change the shape of the price. So although pattern will work, but it could work a bit differently, not quite as we have expected. And here's the problem that we have. It's not actually the problem, but some moments. If you take a look at the daily chart where it stands right now, in fact, recent downside action that we have, it is ready for bread and butter trade by itself, because we have the downside thrust as in greater than 8 bars. With this retracement, we do not have any close above the 3x3, so it stands mostly in a row with the thrust. And market right now coming is to resistance in 26.33, right? So potentially it might be another minor bread and butter trade on a daily chart that will become the part of the big bread and butter trade on a weekly chart. So if you take a look at the weekly, here's our trade. So we suggest that market should jump back to the at least 618 resistance on the whole downward action, precisely speaking to the 26.93 and 27 area. And normally, if we will combine both of these patterns, how it should happen? So first, market should show retracement down because we have significant bearish momentum from the resistance area, right? Complete this minor bread and butter with this retracement, and then we should get an extension on starting points to the action with the big bread and butter trade on the weekly chart. Maybe here we will get not just the 618, maybe it will be retesting of the lows, maybe it will be double bottom, whatever it will be. The general thing is that here is minor bread and butter should be completed in some way. What the particular tricks we could get? The trick might be with a straightforward upward action. It will be not in a row with the normal technical performance of the market, because usually the market has momentum. After the strong drop, it should show deep retracement before upward action, and so on. But currently, market stands in an environment where the technical reasons are very often ignored, and it could, for example, turn in one or other direction and keep going without any patterns and without any preparation. So we already saw this a few times on the last week and the week before. That's why if you take a look at the lower time frames, for instance, on the hourly chart, you can see that upward action has started. It is relatively slow, but it has started without any patterns. So here we've got some downside retracement. But here we do not have any triplets or something. Let's just keep going higher. The one thing that we could theoretically recognize is the very small triple two pattern here, but well, I'm not sure that we could relate this to the patterns that we're considering, because it seems too small. Hopefully, if everything will go with a theoretical scenario that we have discussed, the most common scenario, here we should get some bounce. So maybe it will be kind of the hand and shoulders or something. That absolutely normal behavior when you're watching for some weekly pattern, and drop down to the 2580 area will simultaneously complete the daily bread and butter trade and give us the point for entry with a longer term weekly bread and butter trade on the long side. So that theoretically what could happen. As I said, the major risk here is we could just not get this retracement market keep going higher. What will happen in this case? In this case, situation will change. So first, we will get the completion of the weekly chart, bread and butter trade, and second, on the daily chart, when the market will reach the 618 level, it might start minor bread and butter here. Not necessary, but it could happen, because for a bread and butter, it's not any restriction from what particular fib level it could start. It should start within the 3 closes above the 3x3 moving average, but it could start from the 30%, 50%, even 618. So all this stuff is possible. That's the really tricky moment that currently exists, that will really difficult to make the decision on the entry, on what particular pattern to enter and in what direction. So following the common sense, theoretically around 2635 we should keep watching for the completion of this ABCD and start watching what the particular minor pattern might forming here. So if, for example, on the 15-minute chart we will see here some bearish reversal pattern, that might be the signal that it makes sense trying to take this scalp short position, aiming on the target of the daily bearish pattern. So this will be completed somewhere around 25.80, sorry, 25.70, 25.80. So let's keep watching for this one first, and then see what to do next. If tomorrow we will see that market just breaking up and keep going higher, it means that weekly parent body is already in progress and it's coming to its target around 2690 area. So just 2690, right, 2690 area. So if tomorrow we'll see that something is going on around here, that's great. So it means that market's going with the normal theoretical thing that's usually it's going, and we will keep watching for a scalp short position to make the position with the daily bearish brand body trade.